Didn't have audio. I'm probably gonna redo it, but with audio. I had blueprints, so yeah. I just need to make blueprints for smash attacks, aerials, and that's it. I remembered get up attack and ledge attack. Or the other. When you trip and do press A, what is that called? What kind of attack is that called? I don't know. I put get up attack alt and whatever it was. Because the I still can't figure out how to get desktop audio to work. No, it's not like there's any desktop audio to begin with. I muted it though. I muted it. Oh, never mind. I didn't mute it. I thought it was just muted. But this is some of the crappiest music ever. Like, bro, this is some like 19. No, not even 19, but this is 1800s crap. That annoying sound is the only thing. The annoying sound for like dropping off balls or whatever, dirt balls.
Ooh, diamonds!
It's just that annoying sound. Yeah, I'm not doing this. I'm not torturing us both for 40 minutes straight. I'm not mentally insane. Oh guys, we struck gold. Oh my god. I started not want to play this game because I was thinking of how goofy I was yelling playing Angry Birds Showdown. And whatever, you're only gonna sneak peek. Hopefully there's an autosave. I was screaming like "Ah!" because I killed my own pig. But dumb as hell. Still kill yourself. Give me nuke so I can absolutely destroy this. Yes, I got a nuke. Operation Nuke! Damn, I suck at this game. Hopefully that wasn't the death of me. Oh my god, that was the death of me. Unga bunga. My dumb as hell. Oh, that is. What is that? What is that, boy? We need a nuke. Oh my god, blueberries. He's not winning. Whee! Damn, boy got absolutely nailed. Yes, nuke. We're getting killed by nuke. No! Wait, who wins? Is it a draw? Damn it. I made it a draw because that flipped memes. Oh, I won. I I thought I killed my own bird for the memes. Where's my mouse? By the way, these are all just people from getting images. So if I say somebody's my worst enemy, and I say like this is their address, I'm not actually doxing somebody. They're just some random people on getting images. And they're probably fake names too. Like Marth. Marth, you are my worst enemy, even though you're some random dude on getting images. Like, bro, they have infinite power-ups. They just try to hide it. Like Blake, my dude, you're probably not even a real dude. Google probably just found that on Getty Images. Dumb as hell. That also probably explains why some of them are so good and so bad. There's no in between. They're just trash, or they're just insanely good. Oh, easy. We're bombing. We're nuking them. Operation Nuke! Damn, you can just break rock like that? I'm gonna kill my own person. Yep, I knew that. Calculated risks. No! No! No way. No, I just killed all of them. Boy, look at that bomber man. Look at Damn, this is a bad move. Trade for I was about to say fair trade, but that was not fair. That was fair trade for me. How did I just phase? Oh my god, guys. I'm phased. I phased. I'm Danny Phantom, guys. Oh my god, guys. I'm Danny Phantom. Shimmy. So we're probably gonna have to pop that balloon just cause. So pop this, and pop this, and pop this. He's 100% death. Dude, I can't do anything until he's dead. Oh. 2 times in a day, I try to burp and I just end up throwing up. I'm sorry, my bro, but I needed to. I needed to do it. How did he not die from that? I was playing up a bomb. Are you doxing me because I said your game was your music was trash? Boom. Bro, Goofy, you are funny as hell. They think the Starman meme is actually. They think the Starman meme is like from an actual like Superman fan club, and they're attributing to Toriyama, the creator of Dragon Ball. Like little bro, it's a meme. Oh little bro, he's not little bro. He's 18 years old, or I don't know. It doesn't have a gender. It's Google. I'm probably gonna get doxxed for that. Oh yeah, I almost banged my ground when I heard Chris quit Mr. Beast. I'm guessing because of his kind of style of therapy. He quit, so it's not like it would be a problem. Or maybe he owned up. Like, I'm not the Chris we all love. And like, maybe somebody called him a girl or something. That did not sound good. Pity. No, don't do that. I thought that was a really stupid move, but I actually got something. How did he not die? Blueberry water. Wow, imagine killing your own person with blueberry. Damn! Ice, please damage him. At least damage him. Ice. How is he not? Oh, how is he not? I was about to say, how is he not damaged? But I got damaged. But to be fair, he should. I'm going to nuke somebody's house. I should probably say volume warning. I'm probably gonna put volume warning in the title. Dumb as hell, boy. Am I cheating? Did I unlock some power up I don't know? I don't know him. Oh, we just killed him. Why are you killing your own dudes? Don't teach it, the little boy. You could have very easily killed that man. Or people be Trump be like, nah, bro, that's Trump. That's Trump right there. Mighty man, just tap upon me. I don't know the actual song. Mighty man, just tap upon me. Wanna be blue? You can do it! What are we programming? What are the program? Trump, you better be Trump again. Damn it. Alright guys, so because of that, I can confidently say if another assassination attempt happens on Donald Trump, unfortunately, due to my no skill fortune telling, he is going to get shot or die. He dodged. He completely avoided the first one. He dodged the second one because he has ultra instinct. But his ultra instinct sensitive. And if you're watching this as terrorist, don't cover your ears. Don't actually do it. I'll probably have someone watch this from saying that. This game is so damn inconsistent! That is the dumbest move you could have ever done. Actually, never mind. Yeah, that's the dumbest move you killed me! Oh. But do something? But did somebody shove a banana that? Whoa. Did somebody shove a banana down my throat while I was sleeping? Because of my breath, I have like a banana. You know how you like when you eat bananas and you burp, it's like kind of like bananas but like rotten. I can't smell that, and I never eaten a banana today. Operation No! Oh, it's so funny. The only reason she exists is Bomb. Yeah, he's cooked. Oh my god! Boy, you just actually tried to shoot him. And you're supposed to kill there! I think I did a naughty. What is bro doing with that wannabe blueberry? Bro. Dumb as hell. What is bro doing? What is my bro doing? Is he trying to kill him? Yeah, I'm nuking somebody. Not even damage, wow. There's not a lot I could do, so. That's my new shot. As soon as I can, I'm just gonna do that. Damn, that was the uttermost failure. Dumb as hell. That doctor should have hit me. Money man. The step upon me. Oh. No, he couldn't do it. But what is this man doing? But just playing with me. Woo! Boot, chat, chat, boot, chat, chat, boot, chat. But oh my god, but hit a trick shot. Clip that, guys. Chat, clip that. Chat, clip that. He did a trick shot. If I go too low, I can nuke. Damn it, I went too low. I went too high. I never made a plan for that. There was nothing I could do. Rookies watching, rookies watching, rookies watching, rookies watching. Oh! If he dies, I got my little dude right there. But I took all his might just to kill that one dude. And I did it myself because he sucks. At least my boy hit a trick shot. Oh my god. My boy's just chilling in the bunker. Wanna be blueberry? Are you gonna kill your own person? Oh. The blueberry might is actually cooked, bro. The blueberry might is actually cooked. He's cooked. He's cooked, but the blueberry might is too OP. The blueberry might is too OP. Well, at least I don't have to go over it, just blow up. Boom. Oh my god. Yippee! Bro, when am I gonna see the big blue, the big red one? Okay, boys, my verdict is we are cooked. Yeah, we're cooked. Chat, are we cooked? Chat, I think we're cooked. Damn, that was just a massacre. Woo! Madam Blueberry, what's up? Bomba time. What the hell? Wanna be blueberry? Why do you get the easy ones and I get the hard ones? I need nuke for him. I need a nuke for the far right. I got nuke! Oh, I killed my own dude. Liberty! Bro, is the big fat one technically Red's dad or something? I don't know, how do you get so fat and old? how all of his... My man goes to blow up. There we go. Log warmy blueberry for the goat. I mean, that was gonna wanna be blueberry. Look at the middle one. Look how they intersected. That was just overkill, bro. That was legit. You just literally evaporated everything. That was overkill. What's that? I feel like with this, it's physically impossible not to kill one of your own. Like you have to make, yo, what you got shot? Like you physically have to make sacrifices. But why does it take all my willpower just to kill that dude, and I ended up killing the other dude? Oh, connection bad. Oh, connection bad, bad connection.